Callaloo Carnival Club. Make something to wave. What you'll need: an empty cardboard tube, for example from cling film, foil or other packaging, a piece of cardboard, fancy paper to match your costume, streamers or ribbons, PVA glue, masking tape and double-sided sticky tape, paint, stencils, sequins, gems and glitter. Masqueraders need something to wave. Waving something in the air is a fun part of Carnival. You'll often hear DJs and songs telling people to get something and wave. Stick two pieces of cardboard together to make the trident. Stick shiny paper to the cardboard tube. We used double-sided sticky tape along the length of the tube. Use masking tape to cover the cardboard. Cut a 3 cm slit in the top of the tube at each side. Make 2 cuts into the cardboard to make 3 prongs. Trim the prongs to make spikes. Paint the trident in ocean colors. Use stencils, sequins and gems to decorate your trident. Add streamers and ribbons using double-sided sticky tape. Finish with braid to hide any loose ends. Callaloo Carnival Club. Make something to wave tutorial. Produced by Callaloo Carnival Arts, working in partnership with Kirklees Council, Learning and Early Support.